Hi everyone, my name is Norma Sita. I want to talk about my experience. The speaker, the present, adapt relationship or leadership. Praising the leadership is not internet trend, but a skill that can be learned, practiced, and improved over the time. Just like another author, my personality ability, leadership requires the continued efforts and discipline. The speaker and compare leadership to movement. The more in the user and tired, the stronger is the becomes. But it is called the I will weaken. The highlight is the leadership is long-term progress. They depend on the continue and daily practice rather than alone. The speaker alone for the caliber uncommon first minutes corporation. Not everyone must become a leader in every touch. Everyone has the capital to do so. Leadership is a choice and a responsibility, not an obligation. His idea is illusion to guard an analogy printing, just as everyone has an ability to obey a parent, not everyone, because that's role the similarity leadership there requires. Link and communicators as is the over responsibility that not everyone is ready to take on. A major focus on the description is how organizations prepare individuals for leadership roles. Must the company invest heavily in training employees to become skilled at their specifically jobs? The employees are the con to work and gain experience and having purpose to high education to improve. Their performance will either apparently have individuals become the competitive works. If often files prefer the time for leadership position. When individuals are promoted, they are suddenly expected to lead others with having been properly trained to do so. I think creates a gap between the technical experience and leadership capability. The transition for the being an individual collaborator to become a leader is become and one the most the difficult stage in a personal career. Many people struggle during is the transition because their responsibility for the daily change personally, the various responsibility for completing tasks and achieving personal performance goals. However, unless their primary responsibility shift to managing, supporting, and delivering other people. The ship requires and complicated different mindset and skill set, which many individually are not prepared for. Yes.
The speaker also explained why some managers become micromanage. This behavior often occurs because they are highly skilled in their previous roles and feel more comfortable doing the work themselves. Instead of trusting their team, the to control every detail, which limits the growth of others and reduces overall effectiveness. This reflects a failure to adapt to the true role and leadership, which is to empower people rather than control them. Another key the idea emphasized is that leadership is not about status or being in control. Instead, True leadership is about taking care of the people who are under one's responsibility. The speaker strongly states that the real job of a leader is not to be in charge, but to take care of the those in their charge. This means that leaders must prioritize the well-being, growth, and success of their team members. Leadership also involves personal security. The speaker highlight and develop but important reality. When this go well, leaders should give credit to their team, but important reality when this go well, leaders should give credit to their team. But when things go wrong, leader must take full responsibility. This can feel unfair and challenging, but it is what pulling trust and respect. A leader will protect their team and takes accountability, create a safe and supportive environment where people can perform at their best. The speaker further explained that key leaders are not directly responsible for results, such as profit or performance outcomes. Instead, they are responsibility for the people who produce the result. This idea shifts the focus from short-term achievements to long-term development. When leaders invest in the people by supporting, mentoring, and empowering them, positive results will naturally follow.
Make this concrete to more concrete. The speaker has an explain of the Wilknow luxury hotel. The hotel is considered the experience not simply because of its facility design or system, but because of the people who work three employees, the great customer, sincerely and create a genuine feeling of care. Caring because it's not foreign is disparate. It comes from a culture where people feel value and motivation. They explain the motivators that organize such as is driven by human relationship relationship and the quality of the leadership rather than just system or the strategies. The speaker also highlights a broader issue is in modern organizer. The looks or proper leadership training. Many companies assume that individual will automatically become good leader and the promoted but is not the case. Leadership must touch production and constantly develop. With proper guides, many individuals fail to make the transition and struggle in the roles.
In conclusion, the speaker reflects that a leader is a responsibility centered on people, not power. It requires continuous learning, practice, and self-awareness. Great leaders are those who are willing to sacrifice personal recognition, take responsibility in difficult situations, and protect the growth and well-being of the third team. Leadership is not about being the best individual